Hi there, Fred B here, and in this video I will be featuring a tone demo of a Colorsound Fuzz plus, oops, I'm reading dyslexically, Wah+Fuzz. This is a very sweet sounding wah pedal that's combined with a transistor overdrive. They call it a fuzz. That might just have been a trend thing at the time. It's more of a transistor overdrive. I'll be playing through my prototype 50-watt 2-channel head, and I'll give you sound of that on the clean channel. Alright, so I'll hook up the pedal now. And we put the camera back on the pedal. I forgot to do this about 3 times in a row. There we go. Alrighty. Alright, so we add in the fuzz, we get a very interesting thing. And there you go, the 2 sounds of the Colorsound Fuzz plus Wah from the 70s. And I suggest if you can find one of these around, pick it up. It's a very sweet wah and a rather funky fuzz. So, thanks for watching.